here's a little updated video on baby Azule. He is a little blue Quaker, and he is completely hand-weaned and very cute. He sounds like a little duck when he quack quack, quack quack. He's very sweet. Here, let me see him. Quack quack. He's a good eater. He loves to be in little snuggled up toys. Here, David, let me see him. Here, David.
He's a little tattoo artist.
Yeah. Come here. Come here, baby. Okay. This is little Azule. We call him Zule Bee. Hey, oh, am I the prettiest Quaker? Am I the prettiest little Quaker? Yeah, I am. He's got beautiful blue and then gray on his chest, and he's got a really pretty tail feathers. He's not bitey. He's independent, but he's a sweet bird. Of course, Quakers, as they get older. Okay, hello. Can get more aggressive, can be more one-person-owned birds, and now we can't see because your beak is right up on the camera. Hold on. We're going for the shoulder. Say we're going for the shoulder. Yeah. Zule, you want to go see David? Here you go. So Zule is doing very well, and we're really finding the Quaker personality to be pretty cool. I wouldn't suggest it as a first bird necessarily, but I definitely wouldn't not have a Quaker in my life. And oh, he's eating a Nutriberry. So this is Zule Bee. Say bye bye, Zule Bee. Bye bye, Zule Bee. There's Nutriberry. There's my cute little Quaker. Yeah. He's a sweet little Quaker. Say bye-bye, Mama. That's cute.